The modern world is in the global era, where the global villages become one. Here's a company that puts forth its best innovations and overcomes all challenges to stand tall as a global best company. The company that's always at the top, with its burning enthusiasm and love for challenge. The company that makes its clients' development its priority. Enertork. Join me on a tour around the company. Since 1987, Enertork has grown based on its mottos of reliable technology development and customer satisfaction. As a result, Enertork has become the largest company in South Korea's electric actuator field, with more than half the market share. Enertork first acquired Norway's DNV ISO 9001 certification, followed by the safety class nuclear powered generation, Class 1E classification, and the FM and ATEX certifications. The company landed on the Forbes magazine Asia's 200 Best Companies as a promising up-and-coming small company. Enertork is now expanding its foothold in the global market. Enertork's clients are becoming diversified, from the water treatment industry to power generation and petroleum and chemical plants. And its exports to Japan, Middle Asia, Southeast Asia, etc. are continuously rising. In particular, as the Middle Asian nations are aggressively expanding their infrastructures, Enertork's exports are explosively increasing. Enertork's main products are multi-turn actuators such as the TM series and LTMD series, quarter-turn actuators such as the TQ series, worm reducers such as the MW series, and the next-generation model multi-turn actuator TX series. Especially, the company self-developed a new concept intelligent actuator applicable with industrial field bus communication, corresponding to the utmost new industrial trends and responding to its customers' various demands. The TM series actuators are our staple products, developed with Enertork's 20-year accumulated technologies and various field experiences. Their features include a modulated structure that's easy to assemble and disassemble. They consist of the waterproof type and the explosion-proof type, both of which meet the IEC standard. In particular, for the explosion-proof type, Enertork has acquired KTL certification in South Korea and FM and ATEX certifications from overseas. All the hand wheels of the TM series actuators have independent hand wheel shafts connected to the worm gear through an intermediate spur gear, thus enabling safe manual operation. The product's electrical and control features include a waterproof, non-penetrating integral unit. The inner circuit is completely isolated from the remote signal by the opto-isolator to withstand outer disturbances, such as the impulse current and surge. All the exposed parts of the actuators have light aluminum alloy die casing, which makes the actuators easier to handle at the installation site. The LTMD series actuators were developed as part of a collaborative R&D project in association with Korea Hydro and Nuclear Power Company for application in the harsh operating environments of nuclear power plants. The LTMD series actuators are unique Safety Class 1E electric actuators in South Korea that are currently safely in service at Gori Nuclear Power Plant. Enertork is currently working hard to win contracts for supplying the LTMD series to overseas nuclear power plants. The TQ series quarter-turn actuators are extensively used for small butterfly valves, ball valves, and dampers. These actuators adopted external boxes made of hard anodized aluminum alloys, are lightweight, have strong anti-corrosion, and guarantee double sealing structured V packing and gaskets in accordance with the IP standard 68 class. In addition, this series secures a flame passage in accordance with the IEC standard, protecting it from explosion. and adopts a magnetic contactor with mechanical interlocks to enhance the safety of the motor's static operation. In particular, the system, which adopted a two-wire control field bus communication system, enables the economically concentrated management of multiple actuators. The next generation model TX series actuators that were introduced to meet the global trend are intelligent multi-turn electric actuators that boast enhanced control performance with an external setting function, a self-diagnosis function, etc., using telecommunications. The series can function for setting from outside the actuator position and torques to the opening and closing directions of valves, using the telecommunications and operating panel. Without opening the actuator case, the actuator can be observed and controlled through wired communication using the industrial field bus or through Bluetooth wireless communication. The products are integrated with a magnetic absolute encoder to detect positions and electric torques for conducting precise and highly reliable control functions. Besides, the products meet the client's requirements for more convenient and smarter appliances by adding various self-diagnosis functions, historic management, etc. Enertork, which cleverly overcame the industrial recession that struck South Korea and is currently enjoying continuous growth, writes a new history of the world actuator market by constructing a global network based on reliability and cooperation. The company tightens its grip as one of South Korea's representative brands by aggressively investing in self-development as well as in the improvement of its quality distinction, and by constructing a stable production system. Especially, the excellence of Enertork's products has been proven at the sites where its industrial field bus communication control systems, Profibus, Foundation Field Bus, Modbus, and Hard Communication have been installed. Enertork will always continue to serve its customers with the best quality and superior dependability. There are people who have stuck to the basics, with their sincerity seen in the care that they put into even the smallest things. The company that makes the developments of its clients its highest priority, Enertork. The company has the pride of being South Korea's best brand and does its best to realize its one-step upgraded value. In the near future, you will certainly hear the company name Enertork. The dream of the world's top-rate enterprise specializing in electric actuators. The dream of Enertork will come true.